Hi everyone, so today we are using a different model. This is Imaginarium and this is the turbo version of it. So it is somewhat different from the Dreamshaper we generally use, and I have seen that the LoRa's don't work well with it. So I would not be using the Midjourney LoRa that I generally use. Other parameters are pretty same, you can see. Try to provide a very descriptive prompt. You can see the way I have prompted, and try to keep the negative prompts short as possible. The sampler I am using at the starting is Euler A with 7 sampling steps. I have seen this is enough, and standard HD dimensions, full HD dimensions. So I would be creating 4 images currently. I am not using control net or any guidance. Let's just see how well it can create the images. This particular model is quite good with hands, so if you normally generate some images, you will see that there is less chance that the hands are disfigured, which is pretty common in Dreamshaper. So the 4 images are ready. I kinda like this one. I think this one feels very natural. So in image to image, we would be changing the parameters. I will make it, the sampling steps would be 8, and SDXL, this is something which we generally use. Denoising strength again should be around 0.4 to 0.5. The CFG scale for this particular model, I have seen that 2 or 2.5 works great. You can use 1.5, but it works better. In the add detailer for the face, you can add some more details according to the face you want. So these are some general prompts. In the in-painting, just make it 512 by 512, because add detailer would repaint the whole face area only, so we do not need it to be full HD. I would be adding some more details in the prompt. Sometimes making it cinematic or film grain works, and sometimes it doesn't. But it does not generally destroy the image, so you can try and experiment with it. You can see the add detailer working on the face. This is the best way to generate like high quality faces and fix them. Otherwise, previously we had to do in painting and change the particular face. The images are ready, as you can see. I kinda like the second one. I would be sending this for editing, and this is the basic editor which we get, like photo editor on Windows. This would be according to your taste, but what I have seen is that this particular model tries to create like a very high contrast image. So I am just trying to adjust that so that it feels more realistic, because generally when we take photos, you would see that is the reason when that you can see we have noise in image, right? So these pictures are too perfect which are being created by AI. The main idea is when you reduce the warmth, it slightly becomes bluish, and then if you increase the saturation, there are the skin tones which are generally reddish in tone. So you can achieve somewhat like a realistic balance, and this is again according to your taste.